Hello and welcome back to another episode of How to Guide. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Line. Line is a freeware app for instant communications on electronic devices such as smartphones, tablets, computers, and personal computers. You can exchange text, images, videos and audio and conduct free VoIP conversations and video conference in addition online. To sign up for Line, make sure you've downloaded Line application on your device. If not, go visit your Play Store for your Android and your App Store for your iOS operating system. Once you've downloaded the app, tap open the app. As soon as the first interface of Line is displayed, tap on the sign up button in order to create an account. If you already have an account, you can tap on login in order to sign in. Tap on sign up and enter your phone number. After that, tap on the next button in green at the bottom right corner. Tap OK from the pop-up in order to receive a text message with a verification code on this number. Wait for the code to arrive. After it does, you'll be automatically taken to the next page. If you already have an account, you can tap on Yes, transfer my account. But if you want to create a new, tap on No, create a new account. Choose a profile picture by tapping on the camera icon and select a picture from your device or take a picture from your camera. Once you've uploaded your picture, type in your name. After that, tap on the next button. Create a password for your account and re-enter the password on the next field. After you're done, tap on the next button in green again and start adding friends by tapping on the next button. Wait for a few seconds while your account's data synchronizes, and there you go. You have successfully signed up for Line. That is how you can sign up for Line. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.